Looking for the best security camera to protect your home in 2026? With so many options out there, choosing the right one can be confusing. In today's video, I've picked the top 5 best security cameras that offer powerful features like 4K resolution, AI detection, solar charging, and smart tracking. Whether you want a budget-friendly option or a premium smart security system, this list has something for everyone. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. aosu T2 Ultra 4K Security Camera. The aosu T2 Ultra is a premium 4K wireless outdoor security camera designed for top-level home protection. It features true color night vision, AI triple detection, and 360-degree auto tracking. This camera really stands out because of its ultra-clear 4K resolution, which captures sharp details even at a distance. The true color night vision is a big upgrade over traditional infrared, meaning you actually see real colors at night. The AI triple detection system helps reduce false alerts by distinguishing between people, vehicles, and other motion. Plus, the 360 degrees auto tracking follows movement automatically, giving you full coverage without blind spots. And since it's solar-powered, you don't have to worry about constant charging. Pros: crystal clear 4K video, true color night vision, smart AI detection, 360 degrees auto tracking, solar-powered convenience. Cons: slightly higher price, requires good Wi-Fi for best performance. If you want top-tier security with smart features, this is easily one of the best cameras you can buy in 2026. Number 2. aosu 3K/5MP Solar PTZ Camera. This aosu system comes in a 2-pack setup with 3K/5MP resolution, panoramic PTZ control, and solar charging. This is a great choice if you want coverage for multiple areas. The panoramic PTZ feature allows the camera to rotate and monitor a wider space, which is ideal for yards or driveways. The auto tracking and human/vehicle detection ensure you're only alerted when it matters. Video quality is strong at 3K resolution, which is sharp enough for most home security needs. And again, solar power keeps maintenance low. Pros: dual camera system, wide panoramic coverage, smart motion detection, solar-powered. Cons: not full 4K. Setup may take time for beginners. A solid mid-range option for people who want multi-angle coverage without spending too much. Number 3. aosu 4Cam Kit Security System. This is a complete 4-camera security system with 2K resolution, solar power, and no subscription fees. If you're serious about home security, this kit gives you full property coverage right out of the box. The biggest highlight here is no subscription required, which saves money long-term. You also get 360 degrees pan and tilt, auto tracking, and reliable 2K color night vision. The setup is designed to be simple even for beginners. Pros: full 4-camera system, no monthly fees, easy installation, solar-powered. Cons: 2K instead of 4K. Base storage limitations. Perfect for homeowners who want a complete, cost-effective security system without ongoing fees. Number 4. aosu 2Cam Kit with Ultra-Wide Angle. This is a 2-camera 2K QHD system with a 166 degrees ultra-wide viewing angle and local storage. What makes this model unique is the ultra-wide angle lens, which covers more area without needing to pan. It also offers 120 days of local storage through the aosu base, meaning you don't have to rely on cloud subscriptions. The color night vision and simple setup make it a great entry-level system. Pros: wide 166 degrees field of view, long local storage, no subscription needed, easy setup. Cons: only 2 cameras, limited advanced AI features. A great choice for small homes or beginners who want reliable security without complexity. Number 5. GMK 4-pack wireless security cameras. This is a budget-friendly 4-pack system with 2K resolution, motion detection, and two-way audio. If you're on a budget, this GMK system gives you a lot of value for the price. You get 4 cameras, color night vision, and two-way talk, which is great for communicating remotely. It also supports cloud and SD card storage, giving you flexibility. Pros: affordable 4-camera setup, 2K video quality, two-way audio, flexible storage options. Cons: build quality not premium, AI detection less advanced. A solid budget pick for basic home security without spending too much. Alright, that wraps up our list of the top 5 best security cameras in 2026. No matter your budget or setup, there's a perfect option here to help keep your home safe and secure. From advanced 4K smart tracking cameras to affordable multi-camera systems, it really comes down to what features matter most to you. If you want to check out any of these cameras, I've put all the links down in the description below. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any upcoming reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.